Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to prove De Morgan's law. Now recall from the previous lectures the statement of De Morgan's law. The first De Morgan's law is stated as this: the complement of union of sets A and B is equal to the intersection of complements of sets A and B. And the second De Morgan's law is stated as follows: the complement of intersection of sets A and B is equal to the union of complements of sets A and B. Also recall from the previous lectures the definition of equivalence of sets. Two sets A and B are equal if and only if A is a subset of B and B is also a subset of A. Now to prove first De Morgan's law, it is needed to be shown that A union B, the complement of A union B is a subset of intersection of complement of A and B, and it is also needed to be proved that the intersection of complement of A and B is a subset of complement of A union B. First, we are going to prove that the complement of A union B is a subset of intersection of complement of A and complement of B. The proof goes as follows. For every element X that is there in the complement of the union of sets A and B, since this element is there in the complement of A union B, it will not be there in the union of A and B. And since this element X is not there in the union of A and B, it will neither be in set A nor be in set B. Since it is not in set A, it will be there in complement of A, and since this element is not in set B, it will be there in the complement of B. Therefore, this element is present in both the complement of A and the complement of B. This is equivalent to saying that X is an element of intersection of complements of sets A and B. Thus, we have proven that the complement of A union B is a subset of intersection of complement of A and complement of B. Next, we are going to prove that the intersection of complement of A and the complement of B is a subset of complement of A union B. Suppose that a element X is in the intersection of complement of A and complement of B. Since this element X is in the intersection of complement of A and complement of B, this element is common to both A complement and B complement. Therefore, this element is present in both A complement and B complement. Since this element is present in A complement, this is not present in A, and since this element is present in B complement, it is not present in set B. This implies that this element is not present in the union of sets A and B. Since this element is not present in the union of sets A and B, it is present in the complement of union of sets A and B. Thus, we have shown that the intersection of complement of sets A and complement of set B is a subset of complement of A union B. Therefore, combining the two proofs, we have seen that the A union B complement is a subset of A complement intersection B complement, and A complement intersection B complement is a subset of A union B complement. Combining these proofs, we can say, and applying the equivalence of sets, we can say that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement.